Everyone. Hello and welcome to Pandora Astrology's monthly horoscope for Libra. I'm Jamie Kale Miller, and with me is,
I'm Julia Mijas.
well, Libra, your new year has begun recently. If you're a sun in Libra, you had your birthday last month. And if you missed your annual birthday reading, don't worry about it. There's still time to get a jump on your new year. You can check the YouTube description below for a link for your birthday reading. But I want to start by talking about career in your horoscope this month. Saturn is going direct in your sixth house, and this is really good news. Saturn is going to be traveling your sixth house for about 2.5 years, and it's already gotten a start on that. Saturn is demanding that you discipline yourself in the area of order, demanding that you spiff up the systems around your work, that you clean your desk, that you organize your files and so forth, and that you really get it together. Saturn also has a few words for you, perhaps about your health and your health systems too. But the point is that in the first week of the month, Saturn is going direct. So if he's been bugging you and harassing you, now I don't mean that like literally, but if Saturn's been making you feel like guilty or judged in your workplace, that can all ease up, and projects that you've been doing can move forward more smoothly now in the next couple of months as Saturn continues direct. Hey, Julia, what's up with relationships for the Librans this month?
Well, Libra, I have some very, very good news for you because your ruling planet, Venus, the planet of art, beauty, relationships, all things that are very near and dear to you, enters your first house after the first week. So it's pretty much in there for the whole month. Now, Venus in the first house is very good for relationships because you are really embodying Venus stronger now than ever. And that means you can attract things to you. That means that if you're currently in a relationship, you're just going to look extra beautiful, extra charming, extra attractive to your partner. It's also an absolutely wonderful transit if you're single and looking. Definitely get out there, ask some friends to set you up, or join some online dating profiles, because Venus in the first, since you are looking extra good during this transit, also a fabulous time to get a makeover, get your hair done, take some headshots, for example. You'll be attracting more people to you, which is definitely going to bring you some more opportunities in relationships. I also want to mention a few things about finance for you this month. Lots of activity going on in finance because we got a lot of Scorpio action going on in your second house of money and stuff. Most notably, Mars is in there. Wherever we have Mars, we're really, really driven. So money is definitely on your mind. And if you are giving yourself a makeover with Venus in the first and you want to go out shopping, you're going to be a little extra impulsive about it with Mars in the second house. Make sure you've got a good return policy for everything because Mars in the second can be a little bit impulsive with spending money and just wanting to acquire more. Ceres, the financial asteroid, is also in the second house. So I like that. It's going to balance out some of that impulsivity with Mars. Ceres naturally rules money. So perhaps that's going to help you organize or even attract more money and things into your life in a more constructive way than, let's say, what Mars is doing. And there's going to be a new moon in your second house as well this month. It's happening around mid-month. So about mid-month, you're really going to be starting a new cycle in all things money. Maybe you're expanding business, maybe you're organizing your finances better, maybe you're acquiring something big and new into your life, but big focus on finance for you this month, Libra.
Well, that's all for today. If you enjoyed this horoscope, please do like it, subscribe to our channel, and tell your friends all about us.
And you can find us at our website, pandoraastrology.com, to get a reading with one of us, and also find us on Patreon for workshops and classes. And we'll see you around the cosmos.
Bye-bye.